How to use Emergent AI for free. Access premium tools without paying. Today, I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide. Emergent AI is one of the fastest growing platforms that gives users access to multiple AI tools under one dashboard. From text generation and image creation to chatbots and workflow automation. But while most of its premium features require a subscription, there are still ways to use it for free if you know where to look. First, go to the official Emergent AI website and create a free account using your email address or Google login. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to your main dashboard. The platform usually offers a free trial or a limited free plan that unlocks basic access to its most popular tools. You'll often see this on their starter or free access tier, which lets you try features like the AI writer, image generator, and chatbot assistance without adding payment information. After logging in, head to your account section or plans page. Here, check for any free credits or trial offers. New users typically get a set amount of usage credits, for example, a certain number of text generations or image prompts. Use these credits wisely by testing out different tools to see which ones you actually need before upgrading. If you run out of credits, you can sometimes get more by referring friends or completing small actions like verifying your account or providing feedback through the platform's community section. Next, explore the Tools tab on the dashboard. Each category, such as writing, design, coding, or chat, will show which tools are available for free. Focus on the ones marked Free Access or Try Now. Some premium options might be locked, but you can still preview how they work or view sample outputs before deciding if they're worth paying for later. You can also take advantage of integrations that connect with other free platforms like Notion, Google Docs, or Canva to make your workflow smoother without spending extra. Another tip is to keep an eye on Emergent AI's community or newsletter updates. They often announce free access weekends, limited time premium unlocks, or special events where you can use advanced tools for free for 24 to 48 hours. Following their official Discord or social media pages helps you catch these offers early before they expire. If you want continuous access without upgrading, try using alternate sign-ins. Some users create multiple accounts with different emails to restart the free trial period, but make sure you're following the platform's terms of service to avoid getting restricted. A more legitimate method is using student or educational discounts, which occasionally unlock premium level features at no cost for learning purposes. Finally, make use of the platform's built-in templates and automation tools during your free period. These templates often combine multiple AI features like generating content and refining tone into one workflow, helping you test premium quality output even without upgrading. By the end of this, you'll have full access to Emergent AI's main features, writing assistants, creative tools, and automation, all without spending anything. The key is knowing where to find free credits, catching limited time offers, and exploring the tools strategically. With a bit of patience, you can experience nearly everything the platform offers without ever reaching for your wallet.